everyone, today I will be showing you how to make a blossom tree like this one. In order to make this blossom tree, you will need a coloured toilet roll, one without any tissue on it. You can use some brown felt tips. I've used crayons here, so it looks like this one as well. And then you'll need scissors, like a pair of scissors like this one, some PVA glue or white glue. This one's called craft glue. They're all the same. And if you haven't coloured this toilet roll, you'll need this crayon. And you'll also need a piece of coloured card. This one is green, so it's like the leaves of a tree, but this one isn't actually a real piece of green card like this one, because I didn't have one. So what I did, I had green paper, so I just stuck it on to a white piece of card and coloured the back in. So, and then you'll need some coloured crepe paper. I've got red, a pinky kind of white, yellow, blue, dark pink and light green. So now we have everything, we can start. So first you're going to take your toilet roll, like this one. Then if you haven't coloured it, use like a brown one to do the trunk of the tree, so the brown part of the tree. And then when you've done that, take your scissors, and then you're just gonna choose any two sides that are opposite each other, and then just cut a line in, like that. Cut a line in like that. And then do the same on the opposite side. And now then you have two cuts either side of your toilet roll. So now you have that, you're going to take your green coloured card and take like some sort of pencil or colouring pencil, anything you like, to draw this part of the tree, the head of the tree. And that, so we're just gonna draw it. And then when you've drawn it, take your scissors and then cut it out. Turn it around, then carefully cut around the edges. And then now you've got your top of the tree. This one is a bit smaller, so this would be kind of a smaller tree. So if you wanted a bigger head of the tree like this one, just draw it out bigger. Now you've got this. Now you're going to take your coloured crepe paper, and then you're going to cut little like squares about that big. about that big a colour. You can also use normal card, and then just or paper, and then you can just scrunch them up into balls like that. So just cut squares out of each colour you've chosen, and then scrunch them up into balls. Do as many as you like. So I'm doing yellow, pink, green, then I'm going to be doing blue, I've also got red and this kind of pinky white, and then you can use more than one ball of this of one colour, so you could use like 2 reds or something like that. Just make sure you don't put too much, or then they won't fit on your piece of paper. Okay, now you're going to be sticking these on with your glue. So just squeeze the glue onto your this is the yellow ball, so I'm just going to put that there. Press it down so then it can glue onto it, and do the same with all your other ones. You need to wait for these to dry down, because they do take, I think, like 10 minutes or 5 minutes, something like that. And then you're just going to stick them on. You need patience for this craft, because it actually does take quite a long time to dry. So, if you want it to come as a good result right at the end, then you need some patience. Okay. Stick them on. I've got 2 reds here. This is the only colour I have 2 of here. Then I'm just going to put that green there. This glue was from Aldi. It came in a really big craft set, so it had like so it had that one, and then it had zigzag scissors and pipe cleaners and pom-poms, stuff like that. Okay, now we're just gonna wait until this dries, and then we're going to carry on. That this top of the tree has dried, we can start to finish off the blossom tree. We're just going to take our coloured toilet roll, and we just, with the cuts by the side, you're just going to slot the tree head into the toilet roll, and then it's done. So this is a smaller version of this tree, but they're both blossom trees. Thank you for listening to my blossom tree video. Thank you.